Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix can't log into Roblox. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Try opening a website to see if it loads. If your connection is slow or unstable, restart your router or switch to a more stable network. If you're logging in via browser, clear your cache and cookies. For Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then clear browsing data, then select cookies and cache. If you're using the Roblox app, restart it or reinstall it to clear any corrupted files. And lastly, double check that you're typing the correct username and password. Make sure your caps lock is off and there are no extra spaces. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password or Username to reset it. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.